Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi Redmi 10 from the European distribution, and I'll show you all box accessories. So let's quickly open the box. At the first we got this box, and here we can find SIM tool, and this place we can find safety information and other paperwork. As you can see, we got also silicone case. It's flexible. Let's try to put it on the phone. Okay, honestly it's not that easy to put it on, but we finally did it. So the case cover volume button, power key, it's open, it's synchronized with the fingerprint sensor. At the bottom we got cutout for speakers. We got good access to the port, but also we can cover it. That's great. Here we got cutout for the microphone. And at the top we can find, oh wait, it's another speaker. That's nice. We got also 3.5mm headphone jack, another microphone, and the case, it goes a little bit above the screen, so when you put it on the flat surface you cannot scratch it. You cannot scratch the screen. Also you can find on this camera bumper, it's also a little bit above the camera set, but not that much, so you have to be careful. Okay, that's it. Let's go right now for the box inside. We can find the charger brick. Of course, I will show you the specification. Let me just remove it gently. Okay, so we can find charger and just take a look on the specification. We can also find cable. It's a USB-C cable, as you can see. And honestly, that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.